If you've got multiple debts, there's a right order to pay them off, and getting it wrong can cost you months and hundreds in interest. There are 2 proven methods, and by the end of this video, you'll know which fits you and how to run it. The core idea behind both methods: always pay the minimum on every debt to stay current, then take every extra dollar and throw it at one debt until it's gone. Attacking one target is far more powerful than spreading your extra thin. The only question is which debt you attack first. And step 1, before anything, write down every debt with 3 numbers for each: the balance, the minimum payment, and the interest rate, also called the APR. Credit cards, car loan, student loans, all of it. This list is your battlefield map. Method 1, the debt snowball. Attack your smallest balance first, regardless of interest rate, while paying minimums on the rest. When that smallest debt is gone, roll its payment into the next smallest. Why start small? Momentum. Knocking out a whole debt fast gives you a win. Psychology is what gets most people to the finish line. Method 2, the debt avalanche. Same idea, but attack the highest interest rate first. Mathematically optimal. You kill your most expensive debt first, so you pay the least total interest and get out of debt the fastest. Credit card at 25% and a car loan at 6%? The Avalanche says crush the card. So which do you choose? Simple rule: if numbers motivate you, run the Avalanche. If you've tried before and lost steam, run the Snowball. The quick wins will carry you. The best method is the one you'll actually finish. And use the rollover trick. Every paid-off debt's payment piles onto the next target, and the last debts fall shockingly fast. Hurried. The mistake that wrecks payoff: spreading extra money evenly across all your debts. Nothing gets knocked out, no momentum, and high-interest debt keeps bleeding you. Pick one target at a time. And don't close credit cards after payoff. That hurts your utilization. Keep them open. Just stop using them. Just stop. So, list every debt with balance and rate, pay minimums on all, then throw every extra dollar at one. Smallest if you need momentum, highest rate to save the most, and roll each payment forward. That's how you get out of debt years faster. Subscribe to Never Taught That, the money lesson school skipped. See you next time. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and hit the bell. That's how the next one finds you. Question? Drop it below. Next time on Never Taught That. On Tuesday, get ready to learn about high yield savings accounts. Don't leave money on the table. See you then.